Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. Today I'm going to share with you designer choice 11, and I can't even believe we've got a number 11. And today it's a special blend and I'm going to smell the coffee. So what have we got today? We've got someone special joining us today. We've got Sophie.
Hello. Thanks, I feel special now.
You're a special blend, Sophie.
Nice. So as you may know, I'm now taking over social media. So if you've seen any posts or activity on the stories, that's me. So really excited to be part of the team. As a crafter myself, I'm really excited to be here watching Alison do her work.
We're honoured to have you here.
Hopefully you'll see more of me in videos, and I'm sure there'll be Facebook Lives and stuff to come. Excited.
So don't forget, send lots of messages to welcome Sophie to the team. So what have we got? I've not shown you anything yet other than what you can see around me. So this is your designer choice and how it's going to come to you. So let's open it up. This is your die set. Believe it or not, this teeny tiny set here is going to make your coffee cups. And I can just see you, there's going to be so many ideas you're going to have with these coffee cups. So inside your little envelope, you're going to get full instructions. That's going to come with it. So you should be okay. If you tune in to our design team girls, I'm sure they are going to do walkthroughs and explain how they've made their projects for you as well. This is the die set. And that, if we look down there, this is exactly what you're going to get in your set. And you're going to cut 4 of the main cup. Then you've got the top in 2 pieces. So you've got the 2 different levels of top. Then you've got your band that goes around the edges. Your lovely little debossed coffee logos. It says, I miss you. And you are my special friend. And this one says, do you know, I definitely need new glasses. I'm dreadful at the moment. Is it coffee o'clock yet? And it's always coffee o'clock, isn't it? Always. And then I love you a latte. All you need is love and coffee. And that's so true. So your die set is very, very small, but what you're going to make is going to be substantial. So this morning I thought I'd put together one of the boxes, the little coffee cup boxes, just to show you what it looks like in plain colours. So this is your base. So this is 4 shapes all put together. And then you have a base. I always put an extra base for strength in the bottom. And you've got your top. And there's your top, which again, I've put an extra lining piece just for extra stability. So that comes in 2 layers and they glue together. Very, very easy to do. No problems. Then we have your belly band. You can do your belly band in 2 ways. You can either, let me just find one that I can pop off because I have glued a couple in place. I think I've glued them all actually. Right, we've got foam pads on here, but I'm going to pop it off. So you can either fold it and then you get more of a square edge to it. Or if you just use your bone folder just to give it a little bit of a curve, and then you get a round base. So the 2 sizes work together, just giving a different effect. So let's pop this back on so we can show you the effect on the cups. So this one is a little bit more proud of the sides of the cup. Hoping I can show you there. And the other one is a little bit more of a snugger fit. So there we go. So that's your 2 ways of using it. So again, what are you going to use your coffee cups for? What do you think you'd use a coffee cup for?
I saw a good idea this morning actually. Somebody put on Facebook that they would put chocolates in it for Christmas and give it as a gift.
Excellent. So
So yeah, for coffee lovers, should we get some coffee liqueurs?
I think so. Oh yes.
Nice.
Homemade coffee truffles or something.
Nice.
But I'm thinking as well, you know, when you always got fairs in schools and they're always doing something to fundraise for schools, not just schools, for your churches, any charity events. I think you could fill these with your snowman soup, where you put all your chocolate, your marshmallows, everything like that in there, and sell them as a little cup. As we say, your coffee beans, if you've got a coffee fan, fill it with some beans and give that as a lovely present. Halloween, that's what this one reminded me of. I'm not sure whether that was the idea of it. Halloween. Don't know whether trick-or-treating is going to go ahead this year. Who knows? But you could put a couple outside your door for a few friends' children just to come and pick them up from outside the door. Everything's packaged, ready for them. What else can I think? I mean, you can go right the way down the line. They could be little toiletries that you've got, you know, the little sample sizes. It's big enough to put things like that in.
You could pop a little bath bomb in there.
Yes.
My sister loves bath bombs.
If you want to make something with the children, because they're really good to make with the children, and pop your bombs in. So use your pretty papers. You know, there's some gorgeous papers used here, and they're not going to use a lot. Sometimes you've only got a little bit of a pattern paper, and you think, what am I going to use that for? This is what you're going to use it for. So again, this is Christine, and she's popped latte on the top of that with one of our crystal drops. She's written it. I'm hoping it's the sparkles catching. Straws again. I'm not sure who made these. They may be BB. I'm not sure. I'm guessing who's made them. She's made them out of curled paper. So if you run out of straws, just curl a paper. And then tied a little bit of tulle on the outside of it. And then your little coffee logo. This one, I think, looks like a coffee paper. I think the colours of it make it into a coffee paper. What have I used to make it? That's what I haven't told you yet. For my base, I've used 300 GSM card, mainly because it gives it a really good sturdy base. You know, that's a nice sturdy cap. And then for the top then, I've used our pearlescent card, which is a 250 card, because you've got a little bit more folding to do on the top. But you definitely need a sturdy base to start with. So if you want to look on the website, in the shop, we've definitely got 300 GSM card there. And that's in black, cream and white. So all these options would be covered. So what else have I got to show you? I'm not sure who this one is. I'm trying to show you a bit of everybody's. This one is our Jen's. Again, she loves her beautiful patterns. This one is Shilpa's. Oh, and there's a little dinky one here that I haven't shown you yet. If you only want a little small gift, this is done with a 4-sided box. So again, another little idea, just use 2 sides of the top and pop that on. So it may be you've got a cosmetic or something like that. That would look lovely in the teeny tiny box.
That's cute.
It's lovely, isn't it?
You could even put something on the top so you could hang it on the tree as well.
You could. Fantastic. So I'm hoping they're going to be your special blend as well, and you're going to love them as much as we love them here at Tonic. So happy crafting. See you soon. Bye.